You wake up for the 4,958th time to an awful air raid siren, but this time, you're happy. It's your last day trapped in a time loop. A month ago you found the way out and decided to wait and plan your exit. Today, you leave the time loop, but, for the next 12 hours, you'll be improving your life. A time loop. But I sit the mayor down and tell him the names of his deceased parents, the town where he grew up, the name of the woman he's cheating on his wife with, all information I got on previous loops. He might just think I'm an insane stalker, but by the end of my spiel he's at least willing to work with me. He calls the Coast Guard and they call the Air Force, and I feed them details the whole time. On loops before this, I'd sat on the shore and tracked every plane, plotting their coordinates. It took hundreds of deaths, but I was able to collect a kind of map of the air raid, complete with which plane carried the nuclear bomb and which were just decoys to throw anti-air off. After feeding a few coordinates and timestamps, and cross-checking my information, the military, though reluctant, is willing to listen to me. I tell them everything I know. When they ask me how I got the information, I tell them I'm a time traveler, I'm a double agent, that I'm clairvoyant. They can believe whatever the hell they want to, because they're sure as hell going to have a hard time believing the truth, and I just want to live.